All right, so just got the motor pretty much completed in this thing, wired everything up. Got no fuel right now. I have to go get some gas in the gas station, but we're gonna go ahead and spray some starting fluid in it and see if we can get this thing at least to fire up and give us some noise, give us some motivation to keep on working. But here it is, project in the making. It's a 51 Chevy 3600. Putting half-ton stuff on it, customizing, a little bit of everything, all of different, bunch of different vehicles going into this truck to make it what it is. We'll go ahead and set this down. All right, here we go. Well, we got fire. We know everything's going good. There she is. She fired up. Sounds great. We gotta get this fuel problem figured out. We got an unknown vehicle's fuel tank in here. Put together some hoses and whatnot. I don't hear the fuel pump coming on, so I have to get down and figure out what's going on with that. But that's it for this video, and get you another one as the progress continues.